This was Tuesday, the 20th of last week, when the Dow was down about 800 points. At the same time those things were happening, Japanese 40-year yields went, exploded higher. I think it was a signal that Japan's been defying gravity and having 240% debt to GDP ratios for decades. Everybody thinks there's going to be a reckoning at some point in time, yet it never comes. But all of a sudden on that day, it seemed like it could. Yields doing what they have in Japan are huge. The yen being down 35% in 4 years' time against the dollar. The dollar, which is basically down against every other developed currency, is a huge deal. So and both of the central banks of each country must have thought it was a big deal because they are sending out the rumor that they might be supporting the yen. But anyway, the point is that if Japan has some sort of cataclysmic bond event, they own $1.2 trillion of U.S. treasuries. If they're forced to sell those at any point in time, that could be detrimental to our economy. Also, the yen carry trade has pushed a lot of people to buy yen and buy U.S. dollar denominated assets, which are tech stocks as well. So if people are exiting that trade as well, that could be a serious thing. The Tuesday I was talking about, stocks got hit. In normal situation, you'd see people buying U.S. Treasuries in that sort of disrupted market. They weren't. They were selling U.S. Treasuries, which lends a little bit of credence to my thesis. So if that happens, I believe that equity markets will get hit. The one thing that every time I spin the wheel and say, what am I supposed to buy? It comes out in the same two assets. And I hate to even say this because we've said it so much over the last couple of years, but gold and silver. And that's also one of the reasons that they're exploding higher today. I think they're saying that we have fiscal deficit problems, but I think what they're really saying is out there could be a black swan event lurking. And by the way, I'm not saying that Japan is going to implode. I'm just saying we have to have it on the list of possibilities on that side of the whiteboard.